Hey guys, welcome back, and today is going to be an unboxing of an iPhone XS Max, and this is going to be more of like a comparison video from all the phones throughout the years. So let's open it up. Ta-da! Okay, and that's the video, that's a wrap. Wow, look at that. Perfect. Alright. Watch this. Ta-da! Designed by Apple in California. What? What the hell? Keep opening. Here's the phone. This is the gold version. But we already got a space gray one right here. Okay, now watch this. This is the important part. Look at that.
Which is the better iPhone X? This one or that one?
This was.
It's clear. It's cool.
Hello. Okay, English, United States, quick start. Okay. So here's how you put all the data from your old phone onto the new one. Basically, you just turn on your old phone. Then this pops up. Set up new iPhone. Then you press unlock to continue. Then you unlock it. Continue. Then you hold up the camera up to here, take basically a picture of it. Then it's putting everything from the old phone onto the new one. So after it puts everything from this phone onto here, you can either restore it from iCloud backup or iTunes backup, or you could just set it up as a new phone. So set up as a new phone. We've got the phone all set up with the SIM card in, and I just want to show you a couple cool features. So it comes with a measure app that you can measure things with. Firstly, you have to basically calibrate it. When you can measure things. Oh look, oh look at that. What? Add a rectangle. Oh look at that. It tells you everything. Look at that. 12 square inches. It's a 4-inch screen. And 2.5 inch wide. It's pretty cool. Then there's a level. If you want to level something. Oh, table isn't level. There we go. There we go. Level. And yeah. You just slide up. If you want to delete the background apps, you just slide up. Slide down from the right corner to get this, where your flashlight is. There's a flashlight for you guys. There you go. So this phone comes with a SIM port for a SIM card. You can also add a second line by asking your carrier to connect an eSIM to one electronically to the phone. On the back of the phone there's two 12 megapixel cameras and a flash. Apple says that this phone is more water resistant than the previous models, and they say that it can go down 2 meters for 30 minutes and this should be fine. So here are all the phones. These two are the new XS Max. This one is the space gray model. This one is the gold model. This is the 6 Plus. This is the 6. This is the iPhone SE. And this is the iPhone 4. And it still surprisingly works to this day. Just the graphics are a little old, but it still works.
What do you guys think? Is this iPhone 4 worth it or not? I think it's worth it, Daniel. What do you think? Is it worth the price?
Definitely worth the price. That thing is like, ooh.
Yeah, this is like twice as good as the iPhone X.
Comes with like 800 gigabytes.
Oh yeah. I mean, look
Even
at
a
this,
terabyte.
Look at this slide. Ready? Boom.
You don't get that on these phones. No, you have to slide up.
Oh, you see, you can't even do it first try. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Well, this one, watch. You press the button and you slide and you're in. That's all you gotta do. You got the YouTube app, everything. See, this phone is the best. Here's the iPhone 27. We got the time right here. It's a nice, small, compact phone, as you guys can see. This is probably one of the best phones out there. Here's the comparison size between the iPhone 25 and the iPhone 10. It's clearly a better model. You know, just put in the passcode, and you can also, it shows your battery, it shows the sunset time, shows the weather, the date. It's a great device. It's obviously 20 times better than the iPhone 10 because, you know, it's the iPhone 25. So this
It's
retails,
like $800 cheaper.
Yeah, it's like $4,000 cheaper. But yeah, I recommend you guys get this. So the minimum amount of memory that these phones come with is 64 gigs.
And these phones are 256 gigabytes each, and that's the medium.
And then the max that they come with is 512.
They came a long way from the iPhone 4, which only came with like 36 or 32.
Being max.
Yeah, that's like the max.
Yeah.
Hell, my iPod had 8 gigabytes.
And we thought that was a lot.
Yeah. 512. It's a lot.
It is a lot.
What do you guys think? Are these phones worth it, or are they just too overpriced? Let me know down in the comments, and thank you for watching.